Today, we're talking Marvel Studios' She-Hulk, Attorney at Law, and so much more. I'm Jenny.
And I'm Andre. This is What's Up Disney Plus, where we talk all things Disney Plus.
Marvel Studios' She-Hulk, Attorney at Law follows Jennifer Walters, an attorney who leads the superhuman law division at her firm, GLK&H, as she navigates the complicated life of a 30-something who also happens to be a green, superpowered Hulk.
We caught up with the cast and crew of the series. Take a look.
Hey everyone, I'm Ginger Gonzaga, and we're going to tell you everything you need to know about She-Hulk, Attorney at Law.
She-Hulk Attorney at Law is about Jennifer Walters, a woman who is trying to balance a career, her family, friends, and turning into a Hulk.
I think what I love most about Jen is that she's actually very fallible. She kind of struggles to be powerful and to own her strength.
What's great about this show is that it really occupies a space that the MCU has yet to explore at this point.
We really lean into the comedy that's been established initially in the comics, but now really hunkering down on comedy for the MCU.
Yes. No.
We've got a half-hour legal comedy. We've got action, suspense, classic MCU characters.
Since we are working at a superhuman law division, we are forced to represent superhuman characters from the comic books that you've never seen in the MCU before, and they get to be on our show for the first time, and we have to represent them as attorneys and paralegals, and it's very funny.
Well, I hope that they think it's funny, and I hope that they enjoy the kind of irreverence of the whole thing. And I also hope that it prompts questions and discussions about the expectations we put on women who are in power and all of the ways that we judge someone or speak to them differently or make assumptions about them based on how they look.
People who have, been watching Marvel movies, and though they like them, have felt they weren't really being represented and they haven't really felt seen by Marvel, that when they watch this show, that they now feel like this is something for them and that they do feel seen now.
I hope that fans, first and foremost, have fun, laugh, escape the troubles of the day, and have a really great time. And if, at the end of the day, they have some interesting undertones to think about, such as what it means to be a woman walking through the world, and what duality of self is, and how your interior life is influenced by people's perceptions of you, that's just icing on the cake. You can watch Marvel Studios' She-Hulk Attorney at Law now streaming on Disney+.